Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 4. Fill in the boxes. Dash minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. B. Dash minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. C. 1 by 2 minus dash is equal to 1 by 6. Let us find question number A. Question number A is what is given, that is dash minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Let us take this value as x, right? Therefore, we'll find x minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Now, here you see, this is an equation. If you take 5 by 8 to the right side, minus sign will change into plus, right? Therefore, write x is equal to, you have to write or x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. We add this one. You have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8. That is dividing by 2, we are getting 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, and again divided by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, and 2 2 is 4, and 2 2 is 4, right? Therefore, LCM is equal to LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is the LCM. Therefore, here 8 is the LCM, right? And here you see, you divide, or if you divide 8 by 4, you will get 2, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, plus if you divide 8 by 8, you 1, that is 1 into 5, right? Therefore, you are getting 2 1 is 2 plus 5 1 is 5 by 8. This is plus. Now 5 plus 2 is 7, that is 7 by 8, right? The x equal to 7 by 8. Therefore, the value here will be 7 by 8, that is 7 by 8, right? The value of x is 7 by 8, right? Therefore, in this way you can find the value of blanks, right? You have to take the value here as x minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. The x is equal to x minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. The x equal to 5 by 8 will go to after is equal to, then it will change in the sign, that is minus will be plus, that is plus 5 by 8. And if we have to add this fraction, we are getting the LCM as 8. 8 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 5, that is 2 plus 5, that is 7 by 8. Therefore, the value of x is 7 by 8. Now we will solve question number B. Question number B is, now question number B is, what is question number B? B is, question number B, there is a blank first, this is a blank, after that minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2, right? Let us this blank as x, therefore you can say x minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, or x is equal to, 1 by 2, and here, this is 1 by 2, and it is minus 5 minus 1 by 5. Therefore on the right side it will be plus 1 by 5. Now find the LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is, it is 2, it is 5, it is dividing only by 1, 1 is 2, 5 is 5. Therefore LCM is equal to 5 to the 10, right? Therefore you will find here that 5 plus LCM is 10. You divide 10 by 2, that is 5. 1 into 5 to 5, plus if we divide 10 by 5, it is 2. 1 into 2. Therefore we can write 5 1 is 5 plus 2 1 is 2 by 10. 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 by 10. 7 by 10, right? Therefore the value of dash is 7 by 10. 7 by 10, right? 7 by 10 is the correct answer. What we have done, that it dash minus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. We have taken this value as x. That is x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. This is an equation. And x is equal to 1 by 2, and minus 5 by 1 goes to after is equal to, the it will be plus 1 by 5. And we are getting LCM as 10. Dividing by 2, we are getting 5, that is 1 into 5. And dividing by 5, we are getting 2, that is 1 into 2. That is 5 plus 2, 2 by 10. That is 7 by 10. Therefore, the answer is 7 by 10 in question number B. Next, we will solve question number C. Question number C is, you see here, what is question number C? Question number C is 1 by 2. Question number C is question number C, that is 1 by 2 minus dash is equal to 1 by 6. Let us, in place of dash, we put the value x, that is 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 1 by 6, right? Or 1 by 2, this is plus 1 by 6. If we take this before is equal to, then it will be minus 1 by 6. And this is minus x. If we take out on the right side of equal to, then it will be plus x. That is x equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Or you can write x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Now we have to find the LCM of 2 and 6. LCM of 2 and 6, 2. LCM of 2, 6. Therefore 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. We find LCM as 6. Therefore we will take LCM, that is 6 is the LCM. If we divide 6 by 2, it is 3, that is 1 into 3. 3 minus 1 into, if we divide 6 by 6, it is 1, 1, that is 3 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 by 6. 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 6. If we change into lowest form, lowest term, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the answer for this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is the solution of question number C. What you have done is, see, 1 by 2 minus dash is equal to 6. Let's take dash as x. Therefore 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 1 by 6. And we take 1 by 6 on the left side. Therefore plus sign will change into minus sign. And minus x on the right side, that is minus x will change into plus x. Right? The x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. We take the LCM of 2 and 6. That is 6. 6. If we divide 6 by 2, that is 3. That is 1 into 3. Minus divide 6 by 6, that is 1. 1 into 1. That is 3 1 is 3. Minus 1, that is 2 by 6. And we got 1 by 3. This is the solution of question number C.